What does Priyanka have in this industry that no one has and no one will ever have?
I think the courage of conviction to do, as a girl, to do any sort of part. I think that, like you said, people are usually very careful about, or who look ugly, or I think a lot of people tell me that. So I think that at the moment only I have. I think
But so far, very happy with the way your career is going.
hugely content, more than happy, very content.
What was your first reaction when you read in the newspaper that Shahid Kapoor was caught wearing shorts when he opened the door?
It upset me. It was very upsetting, and I think as a girl more than anything, I don't remember the last time I opened my door when the doorbell rang. It was concocted, malicious, stupid news, and an excuse for journalism. I think. Shahid is my neighbor, and I've said this many, many times. He would do this for any friend, I think, and he's somebody I'm very close to. He's 3 minutes away. I was alone at home, so when they came, I didn't know who else to call. Everybody would have taken about 20, 25 minutes to come. It's not cool that journalism has to stoop so low to make it sensational. I was very upset.
And it didn't affect your relationship with Shahid at all these rumors that come around all the time. And
He's an actor and I'm an actor,
so you're used to it.
So I guess we understand, but it affects me. It doesn't affect my relationship with anybody. It affects me.
You know, you've always maintained, and I respect that, you've always maintained that my personal life is personal and I will not discuss any relationships. Is that disrespectful for the relationship, or does that ever cause a problem? Because sometimes it feels, and it felt like this, watching you and Shahid's chemistry together, that he wanted to say more than you wanted to say. You know, is that...
I don't think so. I've always been very private about my relationship because I know when something substantial comes around, which will for sure, like if I'm deciding to get married, or then I would want to talk about my relationship. But I don't like being dinner table conversation.
But this is not substantial. That means that if suppose I was going out with someone and I don't
I'm a
talk
little
about
old
it,
school
not
that
flings. I'm not talking about flings, but I'm talking about relationship.
No, I'm a little old school that way in that also. I'm a little old fashioned.
Meaning what? जब तक शादी नहीं होगी मैं बात नहीं करूँगी.
I don't want to. I mean, I don't hide my relationships. I don't deny that I may be seen somewhere or I'm going out. I don't say, oh, I'm going to be hidden in my house. No, I don't do things like that. If I want to go out, I go out. If I want to go to a party with somebody, I will. I will never deny it, but I don't like discussing it. I don't like bringing my feelings and my heart and my mind and something that is very private and pure out on the table for people to discuss because it's entertainment. It's not.
Okay, we have a few tweets now that we will take. Fergal wants to know, which is the most challenging out of the 7 roles that you have played for Saath Khoon Main?
I didn't play 7 roles. First of all, I played...
Sorry, 7 ages.
7
ages.
I think the middle age, the 40s was very difficult for me. It's the middle age where you're not really young, but you're not really old. So how do you play that? How do you make that different from the 20s? That was most challenging.
So Ibnu 13 wants to know, music plays a key role in most films. What's your favorite song from Saath Khoon Main? And can you please sing a few lines? Yes.
Oh, please.
We all know how fantastic your voice is. Please, don't give us these nakras.
My favorite song is actually Darling and Bekara. बेकरा है बेकरा आंखें बंद कीजिए ना डूबने लगे हैं हम सांस लेने दीजिए ना लिल्ला एक जरा चेहरा इधर कीजिए इनायत होगी आपको देख के बड़ी देर से मेरी सांस रुकी है.
My God, you have an amazing voice. And you know it also, no?
No, I don't.
You have a really amazing voice.
Thank you.